Hello fellow traders, welcome again to FX View. So today is gonna be about the trading.com, as is a UK based regulator brokerage offering online trading and foreign exchange and CFDs via the sophisticated and powerful MetaTrader 5 platform with competitive spreads, execution speeds and no commission fees. Despite this, the broker does not have any educational materials to help beginners traders. No daily markets analysis and no social trading platforms are integrated. In this detailing review, our online broker research team have covered some of the most important aspects for you to consider when choosing the best broker for online trading needs. So, they offer access to 1,250 plus global markets, all from one place with simple, straightforward online trading and one account gains access to flexible and user-friendly platform for trading with competitive spreads, no commissions, no recode and no rejection of orders. The broker has invested heavily in technology and innovation to meet the needs of the modern trader. They state that they execute over 99% of orders in less than 1 second. A 24/5 customer support team is on hand to assist traders as and when necessary. Simple and straightforward platform, competitive spreads and no commissions. Over 1,250 global markets from a single account, no hidden fees or conditions, dedicated support 24 5 days. Trading Point of Financial Instruments UK Limited provides services only to residents of the European Economic Area. Some trading.com broker features and products mentioned within this broker review may not be available to traders from specific countries due to legal restriction. So the MT5 platform gives you instant access to markets that you can trade anywhere, anytime on mobile, desktop, and tablet devices. The desktop version has the most functionality, whereas the web-based platform runs directly in the browser without needing to download or install any additional software. The mobile platform runs on iOS and Android and is useful for those who need to access their account and trade while on the go. From the platforms, you can conduct chart analysis, place and manage orders. The orders type supported are market orders, stop limits, order and limit orders. Platform features include 1,215 markets, spreads start from zero point 0.6 pips, integrated EA functionality, customizable user interface. There is support for a multiple order type. There is multiple chart time frame. There is chart styles. There is 80 uh, technical analysis tools, one-click trading, no records or rejections, price alert and notifications, and there is economic calendar. That being said, we're coming to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you on another review.